Horror movies have been thrilling audience for ages, but it's wild to think about funny situations, inventing monster movies and creepy films. Yet horror and comedy are two genres that blend together much better than one would think. There have been a lot of aloof, slapstick and downright hilarious titles over the years that feature heavily comedic elements on the top of the nail-biting thrills and chills. Here a look at some of the best horror comedy movies to watch according to the IMDb. Number 10, The Lost Boys. Vampires are one of the most iconic creatures found throughout the horror genre, with many people testing up at the ideas of once humans, blood-sucking monster proving unseen throughout the night and preying on innocent. But the scare factor amps up the 11 when a possible vampire is living inside your own home. That's exactly what happens in The Lost Boys when a family moves to a small California town. Number 9, The Rocky Horror Picture Show. Horror comedy plays very well in the musical, as with scene classic like Cannibala. The musical Little Shop of Horrors and iconic Rocky Horror Picture Show, a unique take on the story of the Frankenstein, in which a couple find themselves stranded near the residence of the electric Dr. Frank and further. While Frankenstein focuses on the accidental creation of a misunderstood monster, the Rocky Horror Picture Show took a kernel twist in which the good actor sets out to create the ultimate symbol of passion and desire. Number 8, An American Werewolf in London. Most good horror comedy takes the most iconic parts of the horror landscape and flips them on their heels. There have been a lot of films that have taken a deep dive into the lore, vampires, ghosts and other creepy creatures and turned them into hilarious shells of their former selves. The prospect of werewolf gets this treatment in The American Werewolf in London, with one man unfortunate brush with Landcraft trope turning with his ups downs. As two friends go on the walking tour through a British local, they were attacked by the howling monsters, and the result has friend begging for the spiritual release while other has a deal with his new form. Number 7, Army of Darkness. Legendary director Sam Raimi doubled down on his horror comedy success with Evil Dead 2, creating even more blood-soaked plot with Army of Darkness. Bruce Cromwell returned as the Canical Ash, bringing his entertaining brand of sarcasm to toll the world in the time-traveling twist. The town of his luck, horror warriors is transported to 1300 AD, where he finds himself once again doing battle with Deadliest in the bit of the Necromancians. Number 6, Dead Alive. Peter Jackson has created some of the most entertaining, thrilling fantasy film to ever hit the big screen, but some may be surprised to know that the director dubbed in horror comedy Dead Alive, known as the Brain Dead Outside of America, is incredibly gory or hilarious take on the perspective of zombies. Number 5, Tucker and Dale vs. Evil. Hillbillies have always gotten a bit of bad snake in the horror genre. Thanks to release like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, The Hills Have Been Eyes, The House of 1000 Corpses, most people feel a bit uneasy when running into the country folk in heavily wooden areas. This concept is flipping on its head to the crank up level in Tucker and Dale's Evil, which shows the lighter side of horror tropes. Tucker and Dale are two simple men that plan to enjoy a weekend of finishing and drinking at their cabin, but soon find themselves trying to clean some dead as group of the vacationing college students mistake them for the bloodthirsty killers. Number 4, Zombieland. The 2000s were filled with the brim with zombie movies, thanks to Fate the Undead taking over both pop culture and horror genre for some time. Viewers were greeted to a wide array of zombie-infused offerings, some that become instant classic or comedied big bucks at the box office. One of these films brought a star-studded cast together for a hilarious trek across a post-apocalyptic America. Number 3, What We Do in the Shadow. Some of the best horror comedy takes pride and the true horror concept and turns them onto their head, turning some of the most iconic and imposing monsters into hilarious version of themselves. Vampire become the main focus of this genre-bending trope in 2014 with What We Do in the Shadow. The end result showcased the powerful creatures of the night doing throughout some very human issue as they struggle to pay rent, keep up with the chaos and the deal with the humdrum of daily life. Number 2, Scary Movie 4 2006. Scary Movie 4 is the second film that's franchise directed by legendary proof director David Zucker. He was co-writer of some best American comedies movies of Aeroplane, The Nugget. Scary Movie 4 is lightweight and breezy that when we get to the end, you feel like no time to pass at all. Leslie Nielsen brings his legendary spoof credentials to the floor, quoting the incompetent and bizarre presence of USA. His scenes parodying G.W. Bush's infamous My Pet God Flansco in the standout. Number 1, Shaun of the Dead. Director Edgar Wright and British comedy icons Simon Pegg joined forces to bring the world this hilarious spin to the zombie apocalypse formula in 2004. A down on his luck, every man is desperate to get his life in order and win his ex back, but ends up the smack dab in the middle of the zombie uprising. Edgar Wright would springboard of this film to help director some of the best cult classic of the modern age, like Hot Fuzz and Scott Pilgrim vs. World, thanks to his version of Simon Pegg combination of writing and acting. The duo craft a comedy horror film that most intensity hit cult classic status in this fact. The film even received position attention from one of the most influential zombies film creators ever, George A. Romero.